Good morning. Sunday morning, I'm in the garage. I'm up before the birds. I'm about to unbox this ANDELI 520 DPL multi-process MIG with plasma cutter. And because of the damage to this welder that they claim they didn't do and the hitbox, I'm going to study this one and inspect it correctly. So see you at the end of the fast forward. There we go, it's fan on demand. I'll run through the features later on, but I had the camera set wrong, so I've put the adapter in. As you know, it's all been remodeled here, so it's all rewired. That's a lot of bump for, I don't know, £330 or something. And I've never seen so many, where they gone? Nozzle spares, tips, stacks of them. 2 torches, one for heavy, one for light. I think the heavy one's for aluminium. It's got a lovely brass neck, or brass looking neck. So anyway, end of message. See you when we're using it. Happy welding. Stay safe.